Hello, all my beautiful friends. I'll be traveling soon, and I wanted to film my Ipsy Boxycharm, and they sent an Iconbox, which is super exciting. So I really wanted to unbox these things before I started traveling, so I don't have to travel with all this stuff and then film, and it gets crazy, and then I forget. So let's just jump right in with my Ipsy Glambag. So this month's box is all about returning to the wild, which basically means practicing mindfulness, relaxing, using lots of earthy tones, and I believe that Vanessa Hudgens put together the Iconbox or the Boxycharm box for this month. I'm not totally sure, but in this little card that they sent, it's showing like some examples of different like natural or neutral glam looks. Vanessa Hudgens at the top. So that's what's going on this month, and to match the card, the Glambags in this cute green and pink printed purse, which I love so much. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. The first thing is lip tint from the brand Floss. It's called Lip Advocate. And this is in the shade Your Honor. This is what it looks like a lip crayon. And this is the shade. Oh, that's really nice. I love when lip products are close to my natural lip color, because then I don't have to wear like a whole lot of makeup to make it work. And this is definitely a good, like, a little bit of concealer, sunscreen, this mascara, and I'm good to go. The next thing is from Saturday Skin Avocado and Date Seed Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. I am using an eye cream right now from Beauty, but when I run out, I will definitely be giving this a try. I love eye cream. Any skincare products, I'm like, yes please. Next thing is from Memoir Archives. It's a vanilla frosting body lotion. Is there a thing on here? Oh, that's nice. It's not like too sweet. It kind of has like a muskiness to it. I like sweet scents, but not too sweet, so this has like a nice balance. It says vanilla. Oh, okay. Orange flower and sweet cashmere musk. Next thing is from Lottie London. It's this really pretty rusty palette. It's called the Rusts. Let me swatch these for you. Oh, these are nice and like buttery. There's the matte rust shade, which seems like it has a lot of pigment. I don't want to dig into there because last time I did eyeshadow swatches, I dug into the shadows really intensely, so I don't want to do it this time. And that's the kind of nude matte. I imagine this is a shimmer. Oh, it's really pretty. It looks like kind of coppery in the pan, but it has more of like a light like rose gold sparkle to it. It's kind of hard to tell. I believe this last one is a metallic. Ooh, yeah. This is what it looks like. Very cute. I think there's one last thing. Ooh, cute. It's like a mini niacinamide dewdrops from Glow Recipe. I might like transfer this into like my other Glow Recipe mini. So this is cute that it comes in a tube. Thank you so much, Ipsy. This is the Ipsy Glambag for this month. I believe they run for $13 a month. If you want to sign up for the Ipsy or the Boxycharm or even the refreshments, click the link in my bio. You can sign up there. It's my referral code, so that'll help me out. So let me move on to the Boxycharm. Let me clean my hands off really quick. Okay, my hands are clean, and the Boxycharm runs $28 a month, and when you become a member, you get to choose like 2 or 3 of your products. They give you like a certain window to choose, so you can do that, and these are going to be full-size products. Let me just jump in. It says up to $200 value. I've already popped the top, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm just going to like reach in and grab. From the Inky List, Selfless by Hiram, a niacinamide and maracuja. Oh my gosh, I'm butchering the crap out of this. It's a moisturizer that you can use, I think, yeah. Use AM and PM. After cleansing and serums, gently massage into face and neck. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. This is a good size. I do have a lot of moisturizers. I really enjoyed the one from last month. It was like a vitamin E moisturizer, which is really cooling and just like makes my skin feel like really awake. So whenever I run out of moisturizer, I'm definitely going to be trying this one. Next thing is mascara from Billion Dollar Beauty, Forever Lash Mascara in black, lengthening, volumizing, waterproof. Okay, I may not use this because I'm not a waterproof mascara girly, but I will give it to someone that will and will love it dearly. Next thing are these Beauty for Real brushes. I love when Boxycharm includes brushes. I think in like 2018, oh, these are soft. In 2018, I got some brushes in my Boxycharm, and I still use them to this day because they're some of my favorite brushes. So I am very excited to add these to the collection because these are really soft, and I can't wait to use these on my face. This is Dew of the Gods Dream Quake Lavender and Chamomile Body Scrub. Yes, I love body scrubs, and it's lavender. I love lavender. Anything like relaxing smelling, I love it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, can't wait to take a shower next so I can use this. I think we have one more item. Oh, it's a palette from Violet Voss. I've never used this brand before. It's the Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadows 10 color eyeshadow palettes. Here is the outside with the reflective lettering, and oh wow, this is really nice. This is the inside. This berry champagne is calling my name. It looks like it has like some really pretty, oh wow, that is nice. So like reflective and pretty. I have so many eyeshadow palettes to use now. I've been using like older eyeshadow palettes, and so now I have like so many. I'm kind of like drowning in eyeshadow palettes, but thank you so much. I'm very excited about the Iconbox. The Iconboxes run for $58 before shipping, and you get 8 full-size products, and I think it's valued at like $300 or $400. I'd have to check, but that's what we're working with. There's lots of products in here, so let's just get into it. I'm just gonna do like the last one, just stick my hand in. Is this another palette? From Il Makiage Color Boss Master Palette. 8 multi-dimensional eye colors. Oh my gosh. I'm drowning in eyeshadow palettes. I love it. Oh shoot. This packaging is so nice. Oh, hello. Wow. And I got my ugly little fingerprints on there. Oh, this is so nice. It's like a really beautiful neutral eyeshadow palette. Oh, and then, of course, a ginormous mirror. Wow, this is very luxurious. I love the little detail where the Il Makiage is kind of engraved in there. So the next thing is Iconic London Lip and Cheek Cream Trio. Let's give it a go. Again, beautiful packaging. Got my nasty little fingerprints on there, but so nice. I was trying to see if there was like a shade name for this specific palette, but I don't see one. All of these shades are right up my alley. I love using liquid blush, so I'm excited about these. This really like rusty orange is so beautiful, as well as this like mauve shade. I do love a good peachy tone. The whole palette, I'm just very excited about it. So I can only imagine how they'll look. I think this would be good for creating like the strawberry blush trend that's going on right now. So I'll have to try that. Magic Serum Soothe and Strengthen. This for hair. Oh, Support Skin Radiance from Joanna Vargas. This packaging is really cute. I like the font. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to cleanse in dry skin. AM and PM. Ideal for all skin types. Oh, that's great. Oh, this is so nice. Let's see what the... Oh, and it's a pump. Nourishing and soothing serum that harmonizes and strengthens to support skin radiance. I am definitely going to be using this. I'm going to take this with me on my travels. Okay, MAC Lip Pencil. I've never, okay, so as a makeup artist, I know MAC is like legendary. I've never used or tried anything MAC. So I'm excited. This looks like it's a nice brown, like mauve shade, which I'm obsessed with. It's in the shade Spice. For any of you MAC lovers and you know what Spice looks like, I got Spice. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect lip pencil. I'm so excited. Love the way it looks like freshly sharpened. This is also coming with me, so yay. This thing is from NARS Air Matte Lip Color in the shade Lose Control. It looks like another kind of like brownie shade, which I'm obsessed with, so Never used a NARS lip. Wow, a NARS lip product before. This is the packaging. A plus. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. They match perfectly. I tried to minimize how much makeup I'm gonna bring with me, and I need to make more room because these and the serum, maybe even the blush palette, those are definitely coming with me. Got a facial detox clarifying clear mask. Problem oily and blemish prone skin, definitely me. It's from the brand Gold Faden MD. This is what it looks like. I love a good face mask. I'm almost out of my other one from Carbon Theory, so maybe this could be a good replacement. Next thing from Dr. B Lab is a foaming facial cleanser with vitamin E. I'm a girly with dark spots, so anything vitamin E, I'm like, give it to me please. This is the last item. The Fenty Skin Fat Water. I remember when this first came out and I was so intrigued by it because it looks so satisfying to put on. I am so freaking pumped. This is probably like the most exciting thing. I know this sounds like so like lame because I got so many cool makeup products, but I am so excited to try this. Oh my gosh, I love good skincare. Thank you so much, Ipsy. I loved this month. So if you do sign up, please use my link in my bio. It's my referral code, so that will help me. If you have any questions about Ipsy, please let me know. Again, thank you so much, Ipsy. So many good, exciting products. So if you sign up, these are kind of the things you can look forward to receiving. I hope you're pumped and wanting to check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!